Let us create a chart in Microsoft Excel. To create a chart, first make a table as given in figure 5.10, page number 52. And just observe, we have 7 tabs. On tab menu, on menu bar we have only 7 tabs. This is required because when we will insert a chart, there will be 3 more tabs will be added. So observe this. Right now we have 7 tabs: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review and view. Now select the data range and click on insert tab. In charts group, click on column option and select the desired layout. The chart has been inserted, and now look at the menu bar. We have 3 more tabs on the menu bar. Say design, layout and format. Select the desired tab and do the needful modification. So first click on the chart and right click on it, select data, data source dialog box, select data source dialog box appears. Now click on switch row column and click on OK. We have the following chart. In order to identify the different component of the chart, just place the mouse pointer and it indicates which component it is. For example, on marks, place the mouse pointer, it is horizontal axis, that is it is category axis. Let us move, this is vertical axis, that is value axis. The whole area is chart area. As we move the pointer over here, this is chart area. Chart area and covers the whole area. And this is plot area. This is data series and it indicates which data it is. Say Kabir, and the marks value is also being shown. This is the marks of Kabir and it indicates 86 marks. When we will move the pointer to the next, it is Rajan's marks and value is also being shown and so on. Now place the pointer here, which component it is legend. So we created a chart. Now as we can see, we can't see the title, so we need to insert the title, chart title. As it is marks, so the title should be marks. Let us insert the chart title. To insert chart title, click on layout tab and in labels group, click on chart title. By default it is none. We want to insert the chart title at the top of the chart. Click on above chart. It means chart title will be displayed at the top. Here it is chart title. To give a name to it, double click on it and delete the default name and type the name that we want. Say marks. So we formatted the chart title. In the next clip, we will format the different component of the chart.